What is MedDRA? Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities. MedDRA, which stands for Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities, is a standardized medical terminology used for the classification and coding of adverse events, medical history, and drug-related information in clinical trials, post-marketing surveillance, and pharmacovigilance. MedDRA is designed to support the collection, management, analysis, and reporting of data on the safety and effectiveness of drugs and medical devices. It is used by regulatory authorities, such as the FDA and EMA, and pharmaceutical companies around the world. MedDRA is organized into a hierarchy of 5 levels, starting from the System Organ Class (SOC) level, which includes 27 high-level categories that group related medical terms. Each SOC is further divided into more detailed groups, such as the Preferred Term (PT) level, which includes specific medical terms, such as headache or nausea. Each PT is assigned a unique code within MedDRA, known as the MedDRA code. The MedDRA code is used to classify and code adverse events, medical history, and drug-related information in clinical trials and post-marketing surveillance. The use of standardized codes allows for consistent and accurate reporting of data, enabling more comprehensive analysis and comparison of safety information across different studies and databases. MedDRA is updated and maintained by the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, IC, which includes regulatory authorities, pharmaceutical companies, and other stakeholders from around the world. MedDRA updates are released annually, which includes the addition of new terms, modification of existing terms, and reorganization of the hierarchy to reflect advances in medical science and changes in clinical practice. In summary, MedDRA is a standardized medical terminology used for the classification and coding of adverse events, medical history, and drug-related information in clinical trials, post-marketing surveillance, and pharmacovigilance. Its use allows for consistent and accurate reporting of data, enabling more comprehensive analysis and comparison of safety information across different studies and databases. There are several versions of MedDRA, which are updated and maintained by the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, IC. The current version of MedDRA is version 25.1, released in September 2022. The previous version, MedDRA version 25.0, was released in March 2022. Previous versions of MedDRA include MedDRA version 24.1, released in September 2021, MedDRA version 24.0, released in March 2021, MedDRA version 23.1, released in September 2020, MedDRA version 23.0, released in March-April 2020. Each new version of MedDRA includes updates, additions, and modifications to the terminology to reflect advances in medical science, changes in clinical practice, and feedback from users. It is important for pharmacovigilance professionals and other stakeholders to keep up to date with the latest version of MedDRA, as it ensures the consistency and accuracy of coding adverse events, medical history, and drug-related information across different studies and databases. This enables more comprehensive analysis and comparison of safety information, which is critical for the evaluation of the safety and effectiveness of drugs and medical devices.